Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of a team. Everything is awesome.
Hi guys, it's Charlie09 and today I'm going to make fluffy slime like this one. So first you'll need 1 teaspoon of borax and a cup of warm water, and then you mix them together. Until it's like kind of white. And we're going to save that for later. So first you'll need 1 cup of glue, like this, and you use Elmer's or something. You tip it in. And now you'll need a half cup of shaving cream. And now you'll need a half cup of foaming soap. You gotta get the sides of it. And now you mix it together. And when you put the foaming soap, it smells really nice. Now you'll need a tablespoon of cornstarch, like this. Sometimes when you use this, you have to hit it at the top so it will come out. Now you mix it together. Okay, after you've mixed it, you need 1 squeeze of body lotion, like this. And after you put it in, you mix it. So it's like this. And then you add food colour. I'm doing red. Maybe you can do any colour like yellow, green and blue and pink. But I'm doing red. Okay, and now once you've squirted some in, like this, if you want it dark you put a lot in. If you want it light you don't put much in. Mix it. And if it's not dark enough you put a bit more in. Like that. And it sinks in. And if it still doesn't work, you add a little bit more in. Like the rest rest of your container. Like, so it's like that. It's kind of red. It's a bit dark pink, but it's fine. Okay, like that. And now you put some borax in that you mixed. Like a little bit at a time. And then you mix it. So it gets slimy. Probably do it like 3 or 4 times maybe. And you gotta get the sides too, but it will go a little bit white when you get the sides, if it's still white. Probably do it 2 more times after this, maybe. Sometimes your arm will hurt after mixing it. And when it gets all like slimy, you gotta use your hand, like when it goes like this. And after, when you're using your hands, if it's still a bit too sticky, you add more borax. Now that you've mixed it all in, you can add glitter if you want. Like, I'm going to use this red one right here. I add a lot of glitter to it. Okay. So, that's what I've done so far. And now when you put the glitter on if you want, you can start to play with it. The more you play with it, the less stickier it gets and the more better. When you break it apart, it's all bubbly inside of it. And I like to add glitter to it. So you don't have to add glitter to it, I just wanted to. So that's how you make fluffy slime. Hope you guys liked watching. Bye.
Everything is awesome.